So you dey do shakara for me, abi? I just say make you give me the trophy, make I hold small, so that I go fit compare am to the other 7 wey we get for Egypt.
And I talk say I no dey give oo. Na by force. Go compare the 7 wey una get for Egypt with theirself.
No worry, dey do your shakara. After you go come tell me say make I pass ball give you, abi?
So you dey threa ten me?
I no dey threa ten anybody o. I just say make you no too complain if I no see you for pitch to pass ball.
No worry, I dey go report give Kochi.
Dey go now. You think say I dey fear?
Who be that?
Kochi, you see say Salah don
You no dey greet.
Sorry sir. Good afternoon sir.
Afternoon. Wetin be the problem?
You see say Salah don dey threa ten me. Say him no go dey pass ball give me for pitch again.
Na lie o, Kochi na lie. I
You
just say...
myself don forget how to greet. E be like say una don learn bad thing for that AFCON wey una go.
Sorry sir, good afternoon sir. But na lie man dey talk. I just say sometimes I fit no see am on time to pass ball give am.
Na lie Kochi. Na because I no gree give am AFCON trophy to touch. Na him make him come vex. Talk say him no go pass ball give me again.
Salah, you know say we don talk this thing before na. You suppose dey pass ball give am when you see say him dey better position to score.
But Kochi, I no talk say I no go pass ball give am.
And you Mane, why you no fit give am your trophy make him just touch small? No be say him go carry am run.
Dem get 7 for Egypt there. Make him go touch them one by one.
I just wan compare our own with una own.
Salah, I no dey give oo. Why you go dey tell your goalkeeper where dey like play my PK?
I no tell am anything.
See, oya, una two, e don do for una. We get match with Leicester City. Make una go prepare. And stop this una nonsense quarrel. Una do well for AFCON and I dey proud of una. But we get Man City to catch for EPL. So make una go settle una quarrel.
Kepa, you see say I don dey catch PK. Very soon, Kochi no go need to substitute me again when we wan enter penalty shootout.
Which kind nonsense talk be this one? So just because you manage catch one PK for AFCON, e come be say you don dey catch PK, abi?
Now, that's one wey I catch. Na him make we win AFCON now.
The other ones wey dem play no be say dem sell you. Abeg no come here dey talk nonsense.
I no dey talk nonsense.
So after you carry the better gloves go play for Senegal, and you no vex. Instead I dey here dey do fasting and prayer so that you go reach finals. As you come back, na to collect my position for penalty shootout you wan do.
No be like that na. Kochi fit rotate us for penalty shootout.
You dey craze? Then only you go dey play for match, abi?
Wetin concern me? No be me say make you go dey catch ball after you don enter net. And by the way, you think say I no know why you been dey pray make I reach final? So that I no go come back quick come collect my position. Why you no pray say make I carry the trophy?
Bros, na the same thing abeg. You don reach finals carry trophy. God don answer our 2 prayers.
No be the same thing, mumu.